At Marshall Motor Group, we believe in providing you with as much information as possible to make the best decision about your vehicle. This is part of our commitment to being reassuringly trustworthy. Whether it's a service, repair or MOT test that's due, here are 11 benefits to bringing your vehicle to us. Firstly, we have fully qualified manufacturer-trained vehicle technicians, making sure your vehicle is in the hands of the most knowledgeable people. All of our parts are genuine, manufactured to exacting standards and guaranteed to be safe and reliable. In fact, all parts and labour come with a minimum 12-month guarantee. To ensure your vehicle is safe and running at its maximum potential, we will always carry out a recall check, carry out a visual health check, use manufacturer diagnostic equipment, and only use high-grade, fully synthetic engine oil. What's more, bringing your vehicle to us will maintain your franchise service history, which helps to retain or increase your vehicle's value. We will also provide you with full courtesy services. You can wait and take advantage of our Wi-Fi, utilise a courtesy vehicle, or have your vehicle collected, serviced and delivered back to you. Our transparent pricing means that you can be assured there are no hidden costs. And if you find the very same service for less, we'll not only aim to match the price, but also beat it. We pride ourselves at Marshall Motor Group on being reassuringly trustworthy. We hope you'll choose us to provide you with the best possible service.